Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get a refund from Oopbuy. I was trying to sort out refund on Oopbuy after realizing I ordered the wrong item. And I'll be honest, I expected it to be a headache, but it actually starts pretty simple once you're inside the account. I logged in and went straight to the top corner where the My Orders or Order Center section usually sits. Now it's basically your control hub for everything you've bought. From there, check the order status first because timing really matters here. If the item hasn't shipped yet, you've got a much easier path through a refund. I type in the order number, pull up the purchase, and open the details page where the refund option appears if it's available. If you see it, you just select a reason like ordering by mistake, price issue, or even changing your mind, and then submit the request after reviewing everything carefully. If the order was already shipped, though, things get a bit stricter and you may need to go through returns instead. It kind of feels like system is asking, "Are you sure about this?" before letting you proceed. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.